Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you some ways that you can fix your iPhone email that is not working. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you're gonna make sure that your internet is working right just fine. So for example, my internet is working just fine. What I can do alternatively is that I could switch to mobile data, see if it's working any better, and then I could retry. This is the first and foremost thing that you'd really want to try. So once you've done with that, what I want you guys to do is go to the mail section on your settings. So we open up our settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to mail. Now here there's a possibility that the account you're trying to use on the mail app is not working or is not well connected. So what you can do is you can go inside and you can delete this account, or you can add a new account that you'd want to use by selecting any of these below, and then you can just update your mails accounts. All right, so once you've done that and it's still not working, what I want you guys to do is go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then we just want to offload the mails cache. So let's just wait for it to load up, and once it's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for mail, and then here on the bottom we have this option offload app, and then you can press offload app and then you can just refresh it. The app will refresh and hopefully it will start working. So that is all the tricks and tips I had for you in this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.